They always say that too much of a good thing can turn bad. But what if we applied that saying to the most vital element of our survival, oxygen? Fresh air, the breath of life, the best friend of our lungs, our blood, and our brain. It's the reason we're alive right now, watching this video. Oxygen is amazing, no doubt. But imagine if the amount of oxygen in our atmosphere suddenly doubled. This isn't just fantasy. Over 300 million years ago, Earth's atmosphere contained about 31% to 35% oxygen, almost a third more than today. And the results were shocking. Insects grew to massive sizes, some as big as birds. Dragonflies reached the size of hawks, spiders were as large as pigeons, and there was even a 6-foot centipede crawling across North America and Scotland. Why? Because the abundance of oxygen fueled rapid growth and evolution. But what if oxygen doubled today, in our time? The effects would be immediate and dangerous. The first breath we take would cause a dizzying rush, maybe even knock us unconscious because our brains would be overwhelmed by oxygen. But once adapted, we'd see incredible changes. Stronger endurance, higher stamina, sharper focus, and maybe even creativity at a whole new level. Ordinary people could perform almost like professional athletes. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Oxygen is a double-edged sword. While it gives us life, it also accelerates cellular damage through what scientists call oxidative stress. That means faster aging, weaker cells, and much shorter lifespans. We'd become stronger and smarter, but die much earlier. And then comes the fire problem. With double the oxygen, even the tiniest spark could set entire forests ablaze. In prehistoric times, when oxygen was higher, wildfires swept across continents. In a modern oxygen-rich world, a small campfire could instantly ignite a massive disaster. The only upside? High-altitude places like the Himalayas or Mount Everest would suddenly be much more livable thanks to the air pressure balance. So in short, if oxygen on Earth doubled, we'd gain superhuman strength and stamina, our lifespans would be cut in half, fires would become uncontrollable, and giant insects could return. Luckily for us, Earth has perfected its balance with just 21% oxygen, enough to sustain life without turning the planet into a fiery nightmare. And thank goodness, no 6-foot centipedes roaming around today.